So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reconcile bank transactions in Xero. So firstly, go to the bank accounts page from your dashboard. Find the specific bank account you want to reconcile, then click the Manage Account button in the upper right corner of the bank panel. Then select Reconcile Account. Xero uses a split screen layout to make things intuitive. On the left side, you will see the raw bank statement lines imported from your financial institution, and on the right side, you will see existing transactions already in Xero alongside options to manage bank line. Now look at the upper left corner of your screen to track your statement balance and your balance in Xero. As you reconcile items, the difference between these two numbers should drop to exactly 0. Now for every bank line on the left, you must choose one or 4 actions on the right. Use Match to pair the bank statement line with an existing invoice, bill, or receipt. Use Create if there is no existing transaction and you need to generate a new entry on the spot, like a service fee. Now use the Transfer if the money was simply moved between two different track bank accounts, and use Discuss to leave a note for your accountant if you are unsure how code the transaction. Now once all transactions on the left have been successfully cleared and your statement balance and Xero balance match perfectly, your bank reconciliation is complete. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.